Hi class, I wanted to give you a graphical example of meiosis, and it's actually quite a very simple view of meiosis. So I'm going to draw a meiosis of a germ cell, and this will be a sperm cell. It's actually quite simple if you think about it in terms of the chromosomes and what's happening to the chromosomes. So we've got the sort of progenitor cell, the germ cell, that is going to become a sperm, and this would be for the simplest version of an organism that has only one chromosome. Okay, now chromosomes in sexually reproducing organisms exist in pairs. So here's the pair of chromosomes, and so you can track it. Here's one from one parent, and here's the other chromosome for the other parent. Okay, now the first thing that has to happen is that you've got to have your cell division event, right? Before that, you got to replicate these chromosomes. So here is the replicated pair of chromosomes. Okay, it's pairs of homologous chromosomes. Okay, this is after replication. Now you're looking at prophase 1 of meiosis. Okay, and so I'm going to give you a very simple version. So these are going to separate the pairs of homologous chromosomes. Are going to separate at the end of the first division in meiosis. So you're going to end up with this situation. And here I'm taking advantage of the color coding so you can see what's happening. Now meiosis has two divisions, only one replication, right? So replication already happened here, but now you're going to have one division is here, and we're going to have an additional cell division in meiosis that's going to finally give you your gametes, okay? So you have two more here, and two more here, and then each of those chromosomes is going to go to one of those gametes, okay? So there you have it in the simplest version of meiosis. You've got DNA replication here. Okay, you've got one division, and then you've got your second division without the additional DNA replication. Okay, so here's your diploid cell. Okay, your 2N cell, your germ cell. Okay, still 2N, except you've got 2N, but you've got pairs of homologous chromosomes. Okay, and just like in mitosis, this cell is going to divide, is going to pull apart those sister chromatids, except you only have one homologous pair of chromosomes. And then here you've got your N cells, which are your gametes. In this case, these are representative of sperms. Okay, and the reason why I'm saying sperms is because only sperms generate 4 daughter cells at the end of meiosis, whereas the egg cells only produce one viable egg cell.